Hello. We discuss about the screening of organic acid producers from soil. Myself, Dr. Kamthani Rishi, Head, Department of Microbiology, Shri Guru Buddhi Swami College, Purna. First, we see what is screening. Screening, it is the procedure of isolation, detection and separation of microorganisms of our interest from a mixed population by using highly selective procedures is the screening one. The organic acids which are produced by the microorganism, these are oxalic acid, tartaric acid, acetic acid, citric acid, butyric acid, propionic acid, malonic acid, lactic acid, succinic, then acetic, fumaric and gluconic acids. And the organic acids are produced or secreted by the microorganism for the dissolution of the vicinity nutrients, and these dissolved nutrients they can use. For example, the inorganic phosphate, these are solubilized by the microorganisms. Microorganisms capable of producing acids or amines from natural sources can be detected by using by the method in which the pH indicator dyes such as neutral red or bromothiamyl blue, these are incorporated into the agar medium. The change in color of the particular dye in the vicinity of the colony will indicate that the colony having the ability to produce an organic acid. Production of an organic acid can also be detected by an alternative method in which the calcium carbonate is incorporated into the agar medium, and these organic acids produced by the microorganism, these cause the dissolution of the calcium around them, and these cause the dissolution of the calcium carbonate, showing the zone of clearance around the colony. Organic acid producing colony is then subcultured and purified by streaking, and then from this the stock cultures are prepared. Requirements: nutrient agar, composition: peptone 1 gram, beef extract 0.3 gram, NaCl 0.5 gram, distilled water 100 ml. The pH is adjusted to 7.4 with the help of 0.1 normal NaOH and 0.1 normal HCl. To this agar powder 2.5 gram is added. Then in this neutral red or bromothiamyl blue 1 ml it is added. Alternatively, in the nutrient agar 1 to 2% calcium carbonate can be incorporated. The calcium carbonate, it is separately sterilized, and then this is added to the sterile molten and cooled nutrient agar. 9 ml sterile saline tubes. Procedure: in this method serial dilutions of the soil sample are prepared. We see how to prepare the dilutions of the soil. For this, add 1 gram soil sample to 100 ml sterile distilled water. From this, transfer 1 ml to 9 ml sterile saline in the test tube, and this gives 1:10 dilution. From this, again transfer 1 ml to 9 ml sterile saline, giving 1:100 dilution. Likewise, prepare dilutions up to 1:1 lakh. From the last dilution, pipette out 0.1 ml and spread on nutrient agar containing indicator or the calcium carbonate. The spreading it is done with the help of disinfected spreader. Invert the plate and incubated at 30 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. After incubation, observe the plate against light for the color change of the indicator or zone of clearance in case of calcium carbonate. We see the observation and the results. If we use bromothiamyl blue as an indicator, then in presence of the organic acid, this indicator changes from blue to yellow color, and if the calcium carbonate, if it is incorporated inside the agar medium, due to the production of organic acids, there is dissolution of this calcium carbonate, and around this colony which is producing organic acid shows the zone of clearance. Thank you for your listening.